Welcome students. In this video we are going to solve sums of exercise 5.5 of NCERT class 12th. In the last video we did up to fourth question, and in this video we will solve fifth onwards. Fifth question, here we have to differentiate the following functions with respect to x. In fifth question, this function is x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 to the power 4. Now we have to differentiate this function. So we suppose it as y. Let y equal to x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube and x plus 5 to the power 4. Now taking log both sides, what we get? Log y equal to log of this whole function, x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 to the power 4. Now this right hand side can be written as log of, we separate the terms, x plus 3 ka whole square plus log of x plus 4 ka whole cube plus log x plus 5 to the power 4. Here we are using the property that log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Now we get log y equal to, this power 2 comes forward, 2 log x plus 3 plus same way 3 comes forward, 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5, because we know log of x to the power n is n log x. So we are using this property here. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So what we get? 1 by y dy by dx equal to 2. Now differentiation of log x plus 3 is 2 is constant, so 2 upon x plus 3. Next, plus 3 upon x plus 4. Log of x plus 4, the differentiation of log x plus 4 is 3 upon x plus 4. And the same way 4 upon x plus 5. You can write it here because d by dx of log x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon x plus 3 and so on. Now this implies dy by dx is equal to y bracket, we can take the LCM, x plus 3, we can simplify it if you want, otherwise you can leave it like this also. You just put the value of y and you leave it like this, but you can simplify it also. So it becomes 2 x plus 4 x plus 5 plus 3 x plus 3 x plus 5 and plus 4 x plus 3 x plus 4. So dy by dx will become, put the value of y also, x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 to the power 4, bracket. Now numerator will become 2, multiply this x square plus you will get 4x and 5x, 9x plus 20. Next will be x square plus 3x and 5x will be 8x plus 15, and in the last 4 into x square plus 3x and 4x is 7x plus 12 upon x plus 3, x plus 4 and x plus 5. So one of the factors get cancelled. So we are left with x plus 3 x plus 4 whole square, x plus 5 whole cube, and within bracket 2x square, we open all the brackets, 2x square plus 18x plus 40 plus 3x square plus 24x plus 45 plus 4x square plus 28x and plus 48. Now we can further simplify it. It becomes x plus 3, x plus 4 whole square, x plus 5 whole cube, and within bracket we get 2 and 3 5, 5 and 4 9x square, then plus 18x, 18 and 24, 42, 42 and 28, 70, plus 70x, and plus 40 and 45, 85, and 85 and 48 we get 133. So this is the required differentiation dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to x plus 3, x plus 4 whole square, x plus 5 whole cube, and 9x square plus 70x plus 133. So this completes question number 5. Now moving on to question number 6. Now question number 6 says, here the statement function is x plus 1 upon x to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Now here we are given two functions. First is x plus 1 by x to the power x. Second is x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So we put it as, let y equal to t plus z, where t is the first function and z is the second one. Now we differentiate these two separately and then we will add. So here we get dy by dx is equal to dt by dx plus dz by dx. We mark it as first equation. Now we find out dt by dx first. So now t is equal to x plus 1 by x to the power x. So we have to find dt by dx. For that we use logarithmic differentiation. So taking log both sides, what we get, log 1 by y, log t equal to x will come forward, log of x plus 1 by x. Now this can be written as, you can write it as x log of x square plus 1 by x. Now taking log both sides, differentiating, we have taken log both sides already. Here you will write differentiating. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. What we get, 1 by t dt by dx is equal to, now we have to differentiate it. what we do is we apply the product rule here. So first we differentiate x, so it becomes 1 into log of x square plus 1 by x, then plus x will be as it is into differentiation of log of x square plus 1 by x. Here you can write using product rule. So 1 by t dt by dx becomes log of, this can further be written as in the previous form, x plus 1 by x, plus, now differentiate this, log of x square plus 1 by x. How we will differentiate it? We will apply chain rule. Look at this carefully. First of all, we know that the differentiation of log function is whatever is here will come in the denominator. So it becomes 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x. Now into d by dx of x square plus 1 by x. This we have applied the chain rule. First x square plus 1 by x will go in the denominator because we will apply the differentiation of log, and then the function inside, the derivative of that function will come with in multiplication. So 1 by t dt by dx becomes log of x plus 1 by x plus x. This x will, here we will write x. This x will come in the numerator, x square plus 1. Now here x square plus 1, when we will differentiate it, we apply the quotient rule. So it becomes x square, then differentiation of x square plus 1 is 2x into x as it is, minus x square plus 1, and differentiation of x is 1. Using quotient rule, we have applied quotient rule here. So it becomes 1 by t dt by dx equal to log x plus 1 by x plus x. Now this can further be written as, you can take this x inside, x square upon x square plus 1 within bracket 2x square minus, open this bracket, x square minus 1 upon x square. So it will cancel out. So 1 by t dt by dx is equal to log x plus 1 by x, and here we get plus 2x square minus x square is x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. So this implies dt by dx is equal to, take this t to right hand side, so it becomes t into log of x plus 1 by x plus x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1, which is equal to, value of t is x plus 1 by x to the power x, bracket log of x plus 1 by x plus x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Now we have found out dt by dx, so we take it as second equation. Now we will differentiate z function. Now z equal to x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So taking log both sides, log z equal to 1 plus 1 by x comes forward into log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by z dz by dx is equal to, now here again we apply the product rule. First we differentiate 1 plus 1 by x. So 1 differentiation of 1 is 0 and 1 by x will become minus 1 by x square into log x as it is plus 1 plus 1 by x as it is, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by z dz by dx will become minus log x upon x square plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. So taking LCM as x square, what we get? 1 plus x minus log x. This is 1 by z dz by dx. So taking z to this side, we get this, and putting the value of z, we get x to the power 1 plus 1 by x into 1 plus x minus log x upon x square. This we mark it as third. So putting the value from second and third in the first equation, this first equation, so we will write it here, putting the value from second and third in first, we get dy by dx is equal to, now dt by dx is x plus 1 by x to the power x, and within bracket log x plus 1 by x plus x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1, and plus dz by dx is x to the power 1 plus 1 by x, and within bracket 1 plus x minus log x upon x square. So this is the required answer. So this completes question number 6. Now look at the question number 7. In question number 7, the function is, again we are given two functions in addition, log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. So again we will put, let y equal to t plus z, where t is equal to log x to the power x and z is equal to x to the power log x, so that dy by dx is equal to dt by dx plus dz by dx, and we mark it as first equation. Now we differentiate t. So for that we will apply again logarithmic differentiation, taking log both sides. What we get? Log t is equal to, x comes forward, log of log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by t dt by dx is equal to, now again applying product rule, differentiation of x is 1 into log of log x as it is plus x as it is. Now differentiating log of log x, it becomes 1 by log x into d by dx of log x. We have applied the chain rule here. So dt by dx becomes, t comes to right hand side, log of log x plus x upon log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. X and x cancels out, so it becomes, putting the value of t also, log x to the power x, and within bracket log of log x plus 1 by log x. Now it becomes, dt by dx becomes, taking log x in the denominator, we get log of log x, log x into log of log x, this is log x, plus 1. So 1 power of log x will cancel out and we get log x to the power x minus 1, and within bracket log x into log of log x plus 1. So this is our dt by dx. We mark it as second equation. Now we find out dz by dx. Now z is x to the power log x. So again taking log both sides, log z becomes, log x comes forward, log x into log x, that is log x whole square. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we get, 1 by z dz by dx is equal to, now here we will apply the formula d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1, and chain rule also, so it becomes 2 log x into d by dx of log x. So dz by dx becomes, z goes to right hand side, 2 log x upon x. Now putting the value of z, we get x to the power log x into 2 log x upon x. So it becomes, dz by dx becomes, 1 power will be subtracted, log x, it becomes x log x minus 1 and 2 and into log x. So this is our third equation. So putting the values of dt by dx and dz by dx from second and third in first, we get, what we get is dy by dx is equal to, now dz by dx is, dt by dx is log x to the power x minus 1 bracket log x into log of log x plus 1, and dz by dx is plus 2x to the power log x minus 1 into में log x. So this is the required differentiation and this is the required derivative of the given function. So this completes question number 7, and the question number 7 is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video as much as you can. Thank you.